Good morning, everyone. Nothing fancy.
Just Judy!
Just fancy. Beyond the rhyming words and the play of words with the double J alliteration, this actually shows who I am and what I have to offer. All work, all business, I offer myself. Just myself. I have to admit, the past month, I was a bit down. You can ask my classmates that. I seem to have lost my passion, my inspiration in school. I found myself sleeping longer hours from my average of 3 or 4 to 7 or 8 to be pulling up myself off from bed and counting the minutes and seconds until each class ends. I seem to have lost my passion. Nawala na akong gana. And I look back. I look back at how I was in college. I wondered how I was able to keep and maintain being bright and passionate back then. And I wondered, ano yung sagot? Ano yung meron dati na ngayon sa law school na wala? Kasi di ba parang in law school parang it seems to suck the life out of you. And I found the answer. This. In college, I was part of 2 major organizations, Management Engineering Association and the Intramural Athletics Council. And with that, I believe I found passion. With all the people that I dealt with, that I interacted with, and I shared experiences with, I felt fulfilled. I was part of something bigger than myself. I was part of something important, and that felt good. And that gave me fulfillment. And this is why I'm here before you now. Efficiency, maximum utility, transparency, continuous improvement. The 4 main thrusts of my campaign. Actually, when I posted this online, one of my friends from college wrote a comment. Sabi niya, pare, ang corporate naman yan. Actually, ang corporate nga. That is partly true, but not totally. Efficiency. Having worked in a supply chain division before in a corporation, I was lucky enough to have been under a system which instilled the discipline of eliminating waste, of focusing on productivity and focusing on profit. And I believe that I can bring that as a treasurer. Maximize utility. Luckily as well, I have worked for a few months in a bank before. And under their training for the wealth management program, one thing was clear to me. Money should not be idle, it should be used productively. And as such, kaya nga part ng plan ko is to actually maximize utility of the money. Kung may pera, gamitin. And third, transparency. Well, of course, I worked before in the bank, and I saw how important it was to inform the clients, the depositors, of what's happening with their money, whether may loss ba or gain, doesn't matter. Kailangan talaga nila malaman kung ano nangyari sa pera nila. And last, continuous improvement. And this one, for me, is important. In college, this was taught to me as Kaizen, or the Toyota way, or the Japanese business principle which focuses on efficiency and continuous improvement. Pero, it's more than that. Hindi lang ito corporate for me. Continuous improvement is my life principle. Sabi nga nung legendary professor ko in first year high school, si Onofre Pagsipangsanhan, for all that has been, thanks. For all that will be, yes. Yun yung life principle ko. Be open to change, be open to improvements. Kasi laging merong pwedeng improve sa buhay. And I believe that I can bring this principle here in being a treasurer. And now I go back. Why the hell am I here before you now? You know, I did file my COC late, di ba? Pero why? Because at that time, to be honest, I wanted to, but I was afraid. Feel ko hindi ko kaya yung pressure ng national or buong law school na elections. But when the week after, when Sergio announced that there was still an opening, I saw this as a sign for a second chance. And so I said yes. Again, for all that has been, thanks. For all that will be, yes. Or as popularized with the movie Dead Poet Society, Carpe Diem, seize the day. Or as said in local Filipino language, bahala na si Batman. And here I am before you, a person passionate, a person afraid. I seek this election since I want to do something more than myself, something bigger. And this would make me... Why am I doing this? Simple. This would make me jump out of bed with enthusiasm. This would make me happy. Sabi nga ni Senator Enrile, gusto ko happy ka. Ako naman, gusto ko happy ako. But, serving you would make me happy. Nothing fancy, just juicy, just you.